No time for salon but still want that perfect volume? Okay, wait. You need to see this. This amazing agaro volumizer hair dryer, and honestly I am obsessed. Not just a dryer, it's a full styling too. First make sure your hair is about 80% towel dry. Then just switch it on. इसका 1200 watt powerful airflow मेरे hair को super fast dry करता है without damaging them. And the best part, this oval varial design skips salon-like volume at home.
Use it on the sides and ends and you get those soft rounded edges automatically.
Plus 360-degree airflow gives even heat disturbance, so no uneven styling.
Before frizzy flat hair and the after smooth bouncy shiny look.
Trust me, this is a must-have for quick styling at home.